For today's video, we're gonna be making a clear slime. So, ayan po yung clear slime ko. Hindi pa po siya clear. Nagki-clearing up pala. Okay. Ayan. So, let's get started! Let's move on to the video. Whee! So, basically, we're gonna be needing a container. So we need that container and some glitter glue. Some clear glue. Look at that. Bang! Sorry for that noise, guys. It's just my cousin. Oh my gosh, it's ready! Ginny, open that other one. Open this. So sorry for that noise, guys, because we're here outside. Of course. I'll be back, guys, for some more glue. So let's put some more glue. So I have an extra one. So guys, if you know this glue is such a good for slime, it's a good one. Sorry dahil yun pinsan ko. Oh my gosh. Yep, guys. Jane. Got it. Ilang taon ka na ni? Ganito? 4? Okay, so basically, sana yung pan ko, measuring pan. Hindi, yung ginamit mo pang mix. Okay guys, wait. I'm back. So, then we need some, after we put in the clear glue, we need some borax solution. Some borax, we need that, and some measuring. So I'll be putting 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know if you can see. 1/4 teaspoon of borax, little by little. Because mahirap na guys. Oh, we forgot to put some water, so I'll be back, guys, to put some more water in that slime. So basically, that we put some water in our slime. Let's mix it with our glue. Be careful because it has a water in its form. Then again, little by little, borax. Yan. Okay. Sorry for noises, guys. Sorry kasi pinsan ko. Yep. Oh. I'm not touching some water. Oh my gosh. Where's the glue? Oh my god. Okay, okay guys. Dating naman ang noise. Ayun. Dumating. So, sorry dahil sa pinsan ko. So, i-mix na natin to. Para may dali. Okay. Pinagsasabihan ko na nga yung pinsan ko na wag maingay, pero okay lang doon. So, like this video if okay lang sa inyo. Oh, ayan na naman. So, ayan, crystal clear na siya. Kasi, hindi nyo kasi makita, guys. Tingnan ko lang kung makita nyo. Super clear siya, oh. Guys, nandito ako sa Isabela. So, Ngayon is January 23 ata. Hindi. 22, 23. 23. So, pista namin sa 25.
Saan?
I'm excited.
Saan? Sige.
Wala pa akong nagagawang slime guys na nag-clear. Ito pa lang yung nagawa kong slime na clear. Kita kong clear na slime.
Wala kang dito bibili.
Kasi kagabi lang po ako nagkuhan ng slime. So guys, kapag naputol to, kapag may isa pa akong videos ng ganitong slime, kapag naputol to, panoorin nyo na lang yun yung part. Kasi ewan ko lang kung bakit napuputol dyan. Huwag ka maingay.
Yeah.
Medyo matigas to. Okay guys, so yan. Akala kayo dyan. Tignan nyo na lang guys kung gaano ka-clear. Oh my gosh. Ewan ko kasi medyo blurry itong phone ko. Phone kasing ginagamit. No! Yeah. This is not an iPad. This is a phone. Come on. Amoy. Alam mo yung water na kwan? Ganun yung amoy niya. So, ayan na siya guys. So, I'll be back guys. So, yun na yung slime natin na clear. May onti pa siyang bubbles. Pero it's super clear. Guys. So, mag-give away po ako ng slime kapag ni-subscribe nyo po to at ni-recommend nyo pa po to sa mga kasama nyo. Magbibigay po ako ng madaming slime. Isang paper bag na slime sa isang tao. Mamimili ako ng 2 tao. If i-recommend nyo. Maging active lang kayo guys para palagi kung gusto nyo manalo. So ito po yung glue na ginamit natin kanina. Pinaganyan ko lang kasi sayang naman yung glue. Tignan natin kung meron pang glue. So I'll be back guys. So ayan na nga guys. Ewan ko kung may laman pa to. Oh, may laman pa yung pinakagitna. Meron pa. Mamaya mo na yung kunin.
Ay, ulong na ako balas Gusto.
So, let's mix it.
Let's open.
Wait, I'll be back guys. Okay guys, nilagyan ko na siya ng glue. Totally glue yan, hindi yan water.
Nagpangkato nito Dami ako sila.
Ooh!
Wow! Yummy! Wala!
So, let's put some more borax solution kasi sticky. So, I'll be back kapag na-mix na ito lahat at maayos na itong slime. Okay, ayan na nga yung slime ko. Nagutom yung pinsan ko kaya kumakain. Super crunch. Oh guys. So, kung gusto niyo lagyan ng food coloring, go ahead. It's optional.
Sige.
So, yeah guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this video. Comment down below and let's have some snack. And have more snack while playing slime.
Ito.
Bye bye guys. Thanks for watching.